Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your Call of Duty account. In order to log in into your Call of Duty account, what you'll need to do is first of all, make sure that you have a registered account and then open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser on the web address bar, type in www.callofduty.com. This is going to take you to the official website of Call of Duty. So once you're on this page, you can see right on top that beautiful option that is sign up and login. If you don't have an account and want to create new, click on sign up and register yourself. If you already have an account, then click on the login button and this is going to take you to the login fields where you'll be asked to provide in your user ID or your email address and then a password associated with your Call of Duty account. So quickly enter in your information and mark on these terms that is I'm not a robot and then click on the sign in button. In this way you can log in into your Call of Duty account. However, if you're unable to log in into your account because of some incorrect credential, then you can update it by tapping on forgot password or user ID. After that you can log in with an updated information. So in this way you can log in into your Call of Duty account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.